Oh dear, I just got a low battery life. Wonderful. Well, fine. I'll make do with what I can. Maybe I got some extra batteries, but in my rush to get out here, I probably didn't. But we'll see. Take a feel in here. Well, I have one extra battery. That might do it for a while. Alright, good. Right now I'm just sort of blind aiming. I'm busy watching through, with my Mark I eyeballs. Because as I said, it's rather dark. And you know what? I am heading over to what is hopefully a better spot. A darker spot. Ooh, hey, that's better. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Alright. Well, I thought I was getting somewhere. I have to get past this light pole here. Oh, wow. This has been a pretty decent night so far. Seen lots of flashes. As for actual bolts, I've seen plenty of those. Whoa. This is one very active storm right now. Oh, man. There's just so much going on all over the place here. Part of me wants to go down to, oh, no, tell me I got that. I don't know if I got that. I won't know if I got it until, man, it's been a while. I'm out of practice here. Okay, well, this is a dilemma. Do I stay out and shoot incredible bolts of lightning, or this is just incredible here. There's lightning everywhere. There's flashes. I don't know how much is actually, how many flashes are actually making it onto the video here, but there's lots of flashes, and sometimes the bolts are going by so fast I can't keep up with them. Alright. I'm going to stay right here. And you know what? I'm really getting depressed that I'm missing out on all this, all the good stuff, which is probably by the metro station. I was there in 2 videos, or 3 videos actually, and you know what? I'm not headed down there. I'm not going to the metro station. No. It's too late for that. Oh, but I would love to, actually. How I would love to. Well, I'm going to keep watching here. Oh, man. Oh. Problem is, as soon as I see a bolt, oh, wow, I'm with him. Oh, man, the prettiness. This is just great. Well, I have seen some spectacular bolts, considering this is my first sortie out into the weather like this since 2009. Well, my first successful sortie. And I don't know how much is actually getting on the video here. That's the problem. I wish I could, like, auto-darken it or something. Get those dang lights out of the way, and I could find I'm mumbling to myself, I know. Alright. Well, the next commercial break, if you will, is coming up in 10 seconds here. And then I'm going to relocate. And, of course, probably see some spectacular bolts.